Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Ashley with AJM Beauty, and today we are going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. Yay! I'm so excited. I can't wait to share all these products with you guys. I am not endorsed at all. I have no affiliation with Boxycharm. I buy this every single month. I paid the $21 and they send me a box. So if you're interested in what Boxycharm I got, keep on watching. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm not going to use some of the products because I have used them. So we're just going to hop right into this. The name of this one is Boxy and Chill. I don't know if it means anything, but I got the 8 with a heart at the bottom. Now I have not used, I've used one of the Tatcha face mask. The other night, I like to use face mask at night so that it can seep into my skin overnight. And I used this and it was amazing. My skin felt so nice after it was done. And so I'm not going to use this one on camera because it's my last one and I really want to save the serum in a little bottle. So this though, I'll read what the card says. This retails for $24. It nourishes the skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice german oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore the skin's health and radiance. I noticed that it wasn't irritating on my skin. I don't have sensitive skin, and it did amazing. I loved it. So this will probably be like a repurchase for me. I had 2, already used one. All right. This is the Briogeo. I could be saying it wrong, so don't come after me. This is Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. It's 2 ounces. And this retails for $16. And what the card says about this one is this super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of microencapsulated argan oil and an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin help promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. Now, I did use this last night after I got out of the shower and sprayed my hair down. Instantly, the smell was amazing. Not gonna lie, the smell was great. I loved it. And I did notice it kind of helped cut down on my frizziness, but I'm due for a haircut, so really did like this. I can't wait to see, like, after using it for more than just one night, seeing how it does with repairing and the damage that it says that it does. Because on the back it says that it's suitable for all hair textures and is perfect for those with very dry and brittle hair. So I do have damage to mine with having blonde in it. So we'll see how this holds up throughout, you know, me using it. Used it once. It is thickening, like thick, and it smells amazing. It smells great. All right. Next, we'll do the palette next. Okay, so I got Tarte's limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette in volume 3. So this is the outside packaging. Love it. I think it's beautiful. And then here is the palette itself. It's super pretty. I love it. I've only swatched it. I haven't used it yet, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do an eye look with it, and then let's read what the card says about this. Dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long-wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. So pretty stoked. I do have one other Tarte palette. So I'm really excited to see how this one holds up compared to like the other one that I have, because I know how that one wears. But I'm really excited to see how this one does. And I love a good nude palette, so I wasn't mad at my palette that I got. The next thing I'm going to go over is this eyeliner. It's in the shade Aurora. It's kind of hard to see. So let me swatch it on my hand. Oh, I just broke it. So it is like super, I don't know how much I'll probably use this, but let's read about it. It does stay, because I swatched it the other day and it like stayed on my hand until I scrubbed it off. Where is it? Okay, it's by Star Looks. Oh yeah, by the way, the palette retails for $36. Okay, now this beauty. This is by Star Looks. It's a Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. Star Looks expands into a mechanical eye pencil with the launch exclusively to Boxycharm. This intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. The easy to extend and retract pen makes application and continuous use seamlessly easy without ever having to use a pencil sharpener. This MSRP is for $19. And it's in the shade Aurora. It's a pink glitter. So I am excited to see how this goes. Last but not least, I only had 5 items in my Boxycharm. I know some people got 6, but I only got 5. The next is the Smith & Colt Tainted Lip Stain, and I'll bring that in. It's a little harder to see. Let me see if I can get my light. There we go. I'll pull it back a little bit. My lighting is terrible today. And this is in the shade... Does it even tell me the shade on the box? It does not say the shade on the box, but when I open it, oh, I guess it is. It's the Kissing Tiny Flowers lip color. So go ahead and swatch this on my hand. I did test this out the other day on top of a Jeffree Star lippy. It was beautiful. It doesn't feel like a lip gloss. But let's read and see what they have to say about it. Effortless, flush and lightweight shine. This rich formula boosts moisture levels while delivering a transparent, glossy wash, not chemically tainted, gluten-free, and paraben-free. So this MSRP is for $24. And it's just a tainted lip stain. So I feel like it's a matte, but I also was wearing a matte when I put it on, so we're going to test this out today just on its own and see how it does. So without further ado, I'm going to get you zoomed in so that we can go ahead and get this eye done and get them lips on, and let's get to it. Alright, so first I'm going to dip into the one matte shade in the palette, which is called Tiki. So we're going to pop this, and I'm just going to use the mirror in the palette. So I hope y'all can see this. Maybe I can brighten this up just a little bit. There we go. My lighting's going to be off in this video, and I apologize. It's really oh wait, what am I doing? I gotta prime my eyeballs. And I'm just using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define and C3. I actually have the super sized one, and I love that. The Tiki shade in my crease. And I'm going to bring it up just a little on the brow bone just to make it easier for blending. Now I know that these are all shimmers, and that's okay, because you can have a pretty look with shimmers too. Alright, and I'm using an M441. As you know, that is my favorite crease brush. And I'm just throwing that in the crease. Now I'm gonna go in with a M518, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Compass, which is this lighter shade down here. I'm actually gonna use the M441 for the next shade. I'm gonna go in with Jewel, which is right here. And I'm gonna add that to the crease as well. Alright, so now I'm gonna take the, where is it? The M433. I'm gonna go in with the shade down here called Malibu for my outer corner. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with my crease brush into that matte shade, which is called Tiki, just to blend all of this other parts. Just because I want to add another shade in, I'm going to go in with Heat Wave, which is this like really pretty color over here, and I'm just going to add that into the crease as well. And I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of the Malibu shade just right here. There is a lot of kickback, so I'll have to take my big brush to brush it all off. But let's go in with our finger into the very top shade called Escape. And if I need to blend it out with a brush, I will, but okay. Now for the under eye, I'm just gonna keep it very, very simple. I'm just gonna go in with the matte. And we'll go in with a little bit of Jewel. And we'll go in with a little bit of Malibu just on the outer corner. Alright, and then I'm just gonna take my fluffy brush to blend under it. Alright, and so we're gonna take the Star Looks eyeliner and we're gonna just put this on the waterline. So that's super light. I'm not really impressed by this. So now I'm going to take the shade Treasure, which is a white glitter shade. I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone and to highlight my inner corner. Really subtle. Not trying to go crazy. Okay. All right. So we got the eyes done. eyes are done. Let's go ahead and put this lippy on and see how it wears. If I can open it. Now I do like their packaging. All Smith & Colt's packaging has a dent in it, because not every woman has, you know, imperfections, and that's what they represent with that. Pretty cool. All right, let's do this. Really dig the smell. It smells really sweet. For another dunk. Super creamy on the lips. I'm not mad at it at all. So that concludes this day's video. Definitely recommend this. I do like this. I think this is good for somebody who really loves shimmers. Not a big fan of the eyeliner, of course. Definitely love the lippy. The lippy was probably my fave, along with the Tatcha mask. And the spray, the hair leave-in conditioner is pretty good too. I hope y'all enjoy this video. From now on, I will start doing more Boxycharm. My goal is to do one every single month when I get my new box. The simplicity of this look, not okay with all the shims, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. It's a $21 box. You get what you get. And I am forever thankful because I loved it. All right. And I hope y'all all have a wonderful day. And if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And leave me a comment down below if there's anything else you want to know.